Streak reports help you see how deals are progressing, where things might be getting stuck, and how your team is performing. In this lesson, we'll show you how to use reports and how to customize your dashboard to track your pipeline's performance. To open reports, start in any pipeline. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and then select Reports. If it's your first time here, you'll see a quick setup window. This tells Streak what pipeline information to use when creating reports for your dashboard. Click Save to finish setup and display live data from your pipeline. You'll start with a few default charts like total pipeline value, boxes created, deals won, and interaction summaries. Drag and drop charts to rearrange them or remove ones that you don't need. To add a new report, click Add Report in the upper right corner. You'll see a list of report types: funnel reports, stage flow, time in stage, close rates, and more. Let's add a funnel report to visualize how items are moving through the pipeline and hone in on bottlenecks. Just click the funnel report and drag it onto your reporting dashboard. Click the three-dot menu in the corner of any report to customize it. Right now, the report is showing how many deals are in each stage, but you can change the value to deal size, for example, to display the total dollar value in each stage. Under Data Source, select a saved view like High Value Deals. This filters our data to show only the deals in the saved view that we've created. Next, let's take a look at another useful report, the Interaction Summary. This report shows how many interactions, like emails, call logs, and meeting notes, your team has had over time. Again, you can click the three-dot menu to customize this report. Choose which interaction type to include, or update the date range to focus on this week, last week, or this month. To compare two timeframes, click the three-dot menu again and select Clone Report. Then change the date range on one of the reports to compare them side by side. For more detail, toggle on Show Table to break down interactions by day and by teammate. Use this to spot your busiest days or see which teammates are most active with leads. Custom charts are a category of reports that use saved views as their data source and allow you to customize your reporting dashboard even further. Next, pick a saved view. Let's use the high value deals again. Let's select a bar chart. And, under Subgroup By, choose Assigned To. This shows which teammates own each deal and where those deals are in the pipeline. It can be helpful to understand your team's priorities and spot where a teammate might need support. You could also add a custom chart from our saved view that shows deals won this quarter, grouped by lead source, to get an idea of your most valuable lead sources. You can learn a lot from the Streak dashboard, but for even more customization, you can also export your pipeline data. From your pipeline, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Export. To keep your reports updated automatically, click Schedule Report and set how often it should refresh, for example, every Monday at 8 AM. You can export your full pipeline or filter your data with a saved view. Exporting to an existing spreadsheet lets you refresh the data to make sure it's always accurate and up to date. This allows you to share it with your team, track performance in spreadsheets, or use it as a data source for other analytics tools. Streak's reporting tools give you a clear view of progress, bottlenecks, and wins, all from right inside Gmail. Be sure to check out other Streak University lessons to learn more about managing your work in Streak.